Hey guys, welcome to Olivier and Alima. Today we're going to see how we make toys or games with recycled materials. We are in West Africa, Côte d'Ivoire. So we're going to recycle some crown caps and do a soccer game. This game is called here Tech Tech. For the next toy, we will need a ground cap to do a toy named Vonvon. I remember as a kid we did some battles with this toy, and you just have to pull the strings and try to cut your opponent's toy. This one blew my mind. You can do something with some seed or I don't know, fruit and some part of a broom. Can you guess what it will make? It's a car. Awesome. Wow, another idea of car made with recycled materials. The next one is all about recycled cans. Let's watch to see what he will make. This video was filmed by my cousin. It's kind of a truck, guys, but they didn't put some wheels on. But the kids are so happy. Oh wow, I love seeing this because it just means that you don't need much to be happy. The next toy is a doll made out of paper.